Hello everyone, how to tours back with another new video, and in this video I'm gonna tell you how you can change any language in Bluesky app, like which text or which language you want to see as your feed in Bluesky. Okay, so you need to go here, three dot line, you can see top left corner on the screen, then scroll down a little bit, then here you will get the option settings. So simply click on settings and scroll down a little bit. Then here you'll get the option content language, the four option in this row, content language. So simply click on that. So once you click on that, then you'll see here content language. Which language would you like to see in your algorithmic feeds? Okay, so initially I check English, so you can also check others. So I know Bengali, so then I click Bengali. Okay, Bengali, it's turn on. So English and Bengali, and then done. So after that you will see the text Bengali and English. So okay friend, today is no more, and thank you for watching.